Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. But before I get started, if you'd like to learn more about making cocktails low carb and keto friendly, click the subscribe button and don't forget the bell icon because that'll tell you when I put a new video out each time. All right, so let's get started. Today I got another simple syrup recipe for you. I'm trying different sugar substitutes out, and on a Reddit post that I put up featuring my low carb old fashioned, you can see that video right here. I had a comment from somebody telling me to try allulose. So I did. So I went on Amazon and I found this. No Better sweetener. No Better is the name of the company, and this is an allulose. The guy on Reddit said it tastes more like sugar than anything he's tried before. It dissolves better than erythritol, and it doesn't have that little, like I say, a menthol cooling effect in your mouth that erythritol has. He's absolutely right. This is gonna be my now go-to sweetener. So I'm gonna do a quick little video on how to do a simple syrup with it. First thing you need is a mason jar or just something to put it in. I found out you really don't have to warm this. I put it in a mason jar, shook it up with some water, let it sit. It started to dissolve. Three shakes and I was done. So I'm gonna have 1 cup of the allulose. And 1 cup of water. So it's a simple 1-to-1 ratio. Unlike erythritol, you have to do a 3-to-1 ratio to get it from crystallizing. This doesn't crystallize. And I left it out on the counter for a couple of days. I left it in the refrigerator for a couple of days. Never did crystallize. And that's what I really liked about it. Because I like the monk fruit. Have you seen a lot of my videos? This doesn't crystallize. Pure 1-to-1 ratio, super simple. 1 cup of water. That's it. This is all I did. Give it a good hard shake. And once the water got clear again, whatever dissolved. I did that 3 times. And after doing this a little bit, off and on for 10 minutes, completely dissolved. Absolutely delicious. Tastes just like sugar. And what I found, if you wanted to make it a little more thicker viscosity, like a simple syrup really does have, you could add some xanthan gum. But if you put it in the refrigerator for a little bit, I stored mine in the refrigerator and it came out with a little thicker viscosity once it chilled. And I think that was kind of interesting. So definitely keep it in your refrigerator if you want a little more syrupy consistency than like a watery simple syrup. All right guys, so that's it. Super simple, simple syrup. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day.